We've had a lot of requests to add the ability to add bookmarks for front and back matter pages when downloading interactive PDFs from our tools. I'm happy to say that this ability is now available. But before I show you how to use that, let me go show you how I created some front and back matter pages. I created these pages in Canva so I can have a title page, copyright page, instruction page, and a freebie page. When creating front and back matter pages for interactive PDFs, you need to make them 6.2 inches by 8.27 inches. I downloaded these pages and then I uploaded them to a book creator. Let me go show you how to do that. In a book creator, you just need to go to Account, Files, and then drag and drop them into this box. And then you'll have them available in all of our tools to use for front or back matter pages. For this example, I'm going to use a game book. I've already created settings, so let's go ahead and load those. This book will have a dots and boxes page, a 4 in a row page, hangman, sim, and tic-tac-toe page. To add front and back matter pages, just click on the Front and Back Matter Pages tab. Then click on Add Front Matter Pages and Add Back Matter Pages. I'm going to have 3 front matter pages. The first one's going to be the cover, then the copyright page, and then lastly, we're going to have the instructions page. And for the back matter, we're going to have our download page. What's new is that you can now add bookmarks for these front and back matter pages when you select the Kindle Scribe trim size. You'll add the bookmarks here. If you don't want a bookmark for a particular one, just leave it blank. And these will be in the same order that the pages are listed above. Just type them in here. So we'll have title, copyright, and I'm going to put game instructions for the instructions page. Then for the free download, let's put freebie for you. And now we can download it. Now we have the bookmarks for title, copyright, and game instructions. And at the bottom, we have the freebie for you page. Let's go look at this PDF on the Kindle Scribe. I use the Send to Kindle to download the PDF onto my Kindle Scribe. Here it is. I'm going to open the book. And now, when you look at the bookmarks, you have the title, copyright, game instructions ones that we added to the front matter pages. That will take you right to the pages. There's the copyright, the instructions. We can go back to title. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can go to the freebie for you page. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add bookmarks for your front and back matter pages to your interactive PDFs for the Kindle Scribe. If you have any questions about how to use this ability, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.